Alright, hello everyone. This is Professor Matthew Nays. I am recording on my tablet right now because it's the only way I can record. I'm trying to use my computer for a bit. Well, we'll have to get a better microphone right now because I've been having issues with it. Anyway, I'm having to learn a lot of new technology because now everything is online. So thanks to the, everything's going on. Anyway, I'm here to discuss and kind of show you the Canvas and the website we're going to be using so that you understand what you need for the course and what we're going to be doing as we progress. So I'm going to start with, that's foundations. Let's start with quantitative. Now again, my site may be a bit different than yours. I got some things you probably don't see. But what you should see, however, is this link right here, which is Connect link. This is the link to the website that we are going to be using for the business math or quantitative management. This is the only thing you need is access to this website. You do not need a physical book. Again, if you read the announcement or an email I'm going to send out at some point, do not buy a physical book unless somebody else is buying it for you. Okay, if you need to save yourself some money, because I'm a teacher, I always have to try to save money. Don't buy a physical book. You don't need it. You just need access to this website and access to Canvas. So you already have access to Canvas, so just access to the website. It's about $100. Yeah, so it's less than buying the physical books. If you buy the books together, everything, it's probably around $300, maybe more. I'm trying to save you about $100 here. So anyway, before we get to here, what I want to look at is some things we're going to see here. Any announcements that we have will be posted here. Make sure you keep up on the announcements. See here, the files. You're going to have access to files. We'll look at that in just a second. Now, you may notice that down here, lesson videos. Now, the lesson videos are exactly what they are. Let's look at one of these. If you click on one, it takes you to this, which you can make bigger.
In this quantitative management applications video, we are going to take a look at the mathematics surrounding taxes. The issue with taxes has long been in the history.
Now I'm going to pause that. That is, again, not my voice. That is Dr. Erin Martin, our math department chair for the accelerated degree program at Lindenwood University. She made all these videos for us, which was really nice of her. So basically, she's going to walk you through everything that I would do in class. She even has all the writing on here. You follow along.
59 cents.
Yeah, she does all the math for you. Now, what I'm going to do is, after the video lesson, when you exit out of here, go back to the home screen, each week what I'm going to do is update another little section down here. In fact, I'm just going to go ahead and add this module, and this is going to be practice questions. Okay, so add module. So you'll see it down here. I'm going to publish it. There's nothing on there yet because I haven't made these videos. So it'll be videos of me going through practice questions that cover the homework for each section. So you'll see a chapter on next Tuesday, the first Tuesday night. What you'll see is not only watch the video, but you'll also see down here chapter 8 practice questions, and it's me going through the video. What I'm going to go through is the formulas and how to use the calculator if we need to, because there's some buttons on our calculator that we're going to need to look at and make sure you know how to use it. So the calculator we're going to use for the course, and we'll look at this in a bit. So we need the TI-36X Pro. Maybe if I can do that. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to try to see if I can download a version of it, because that would be just great. But here's just the calculator itself. So images, right here. Get it Office Depot, get it Walmart. You can get it on Amazon much cheaper than you can anywhere else. If you got Amazon Prime, even better. It's like it's like $15 on Amazon Prime. So let me see. Is it on here somewhere? So, but yeah, there's the calculator. That's the one we'll be using. If you have to take statistics at some point, you're definitely going to want this calculator because this is a blessing to have as a calculator. So, all right. All right, now you may notice that as we look at these, this says week 1. That's what's got to be done first week. Okay, that homework has to be done that week. You need to get it done that week. If you can't get it done that week, let me know. But I'm going to tell you, it's going to be a pain for me to have to keep editing this. So try to get it done that week at all possible. You have 7 days just to get that one assignment done. Now, the second week, you have Chapter 13 homework, but you also need to complete a quiz. The quiz will cover Chapter 8 and Chapter 13. Third week, you have Chapter 16 homework, then Chapter 10 homework on week 4, and week 5, Chapter 19 homework. On week 6, there's nothing. You see week 6, it goes from week 5 to week 7. That's because we have our midterm exam on week 6. All right. When you log on to Canvas, you will see a review for the midterm. The quizzes, I didn't say. The quizzes are going to be, again, everything's open notes because it's online. But the quizzes, you'll get 3 chances to take the quiz. So, and I take the best score. All right. The midterm and the final is only 1 shot. But it is open notes, and you have a review, so really there's no reason to not make really good grades on everything. Just got to get the work done. Now again, I know it's math and it's hard, and you're kind of on your own because you don't have to come into class, but we'll show you some things you can do to get in contact with me. All right, so everything, again, this is how the whole setup's going to be, and then we're going to look at, let's see here, files. Now, under files, you're going to see the days of the year. This is a file that I made. Let's look at it. This is an Excel file that I made that you can print out. And you're going to want to probably have it printed out, but it's fine if you just have it on your computer background. What we're going to do at some point is look at interest between 2 specific dates, like have interest for 140 days. Let's say from March 2nd. So March 2nd, that's 61, to September 12th. So September 12th. That is 255. The number of days between September 12th and March 2nd is 255 minus 61. So that'd be 194. Okay, so that's what we're going to need to do at some point. So it'd be really easy. And again, I'll do examples on how to do this later on. Let's see here. This right here is a folder that has all the PowerPoints. Now it has 2 for each. One's a PowerPoint and one's a PDF file. To be honest, I think the PDF file was created just to have a printout, but you can print out the PDF. I think it's easier to print out the PowerPoint file. It's usually a little bit better. You have more options if you need. At least I feel like it, so anyway. Let's see here. Now, big thing you want to have is right here. This is the formula sheet that I made for quantitative. It's a lot of formulas. We're going to go through this as we cover each lesson. We're going to look at when we use the formulas and everything. So you're definitely going to want to have this. I don't know why they came up. You're definitely going to have this printed out for every test and quiz, and even the homework, because we're going to go through all these. A lot of formulas. And then again, this doesn't even cover everything. This is just the most straightforward formula. Some things are more of a process instead of a formula. And yeah, I didn't put the processes on here. Syllabus is something to look at. Again, we'll talk about it later. Videos. This, what I would do is just go ahead and click over here and download the video so you have it saved offline in case you need to watch the video. But this is where the videos are located. They're the same videos that I had on the home screen. Okay, but this way you can just download the whole file. So, back to home screen, let's look at Connect. So when you first get on here, click on the link. We're going to open Connect, and it should bring you directly to this. Okay, directly to this. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to join. Okay, it's going to have me make a new one. Alright. Oh, good. That saves it. Password, make a new password. Let's just call this password because I don't really care. You're probably going to be mad at me saying, this is really weak, you can't do this, so... Okay, I agree. I don't think I need to have the mobile number, so continue. Continue following. One uppercase. Okay, yeah, Madden password. So, let me see, what was it? One uppercase, one lowercase, and one number. Okay, so let's do password with an O. Password. There we go. Getting fancy here. Alright, so once you get everything in here, you can... Yeah, go ahead and save that. I don't care. So, this is what we're going to do. You have your option. You can use your Connect code. If you go to the bookstore, you can use this Connect code. Feel free to use that Connect code at any point. If you want to go and buy it now, PayPal, buy it, credit card, whatever, don't do this, okay, because you don't want to buy a textbook. But the big thing is right now, at the very least, before you even have to make a decision, Access Now. Now, I would just go ahead and do the $91 and go ahead and buy it. That way you don't have to worry about anything and just get it over with. Go ahead and pay for it. You got to buy it at some point anyway. But if you need a little more time, then you can wait about 2 weeks. I think this gives you about a 2-week access. Now, I'm going to do temporary access because I don't want to pay for it right now. So, temporary access right now, should come up. And there we go, 2 weeks of temporary access. Confirm. And I am in, so I can go connect. And now I'm on here, and I'm going to be on here for 2 weeks. Now, you're going to see that nothing is here, okay? Now, I'm glad I actually have access to this, so you can see that what you're going to do to get all to the homework is go, I don't want that, move that away, I'll move that over here, is go to the calendar, and everything is going to be, like, for example, Chapter 8 homework, so this is today. Class doesn't start until this day. Well, sorry, class doesn't start until month. Until the 7th. So Chapter 8 homework you'll see is due the 14th. Okay, and I can go ahead and I can see if I can set that up. So do April 14th. Save. Alright, so I'm going to refresh my screen since I just changed the date on it. Calendar. April 14th. So you can see Chapter 8 homework is right there. Alright, and that's how it's going to be set up. So if you ever need to go anything, everything's going to be under calendar. That's going to take you, again, you want to go to the dates due, so you can see every assignment due. So there we go. Now you may see a to-do list, nothing here for the next 7 days. That's the thing about doing that. If you go to the to-do list, nothing's due for the next 7 days. You may see the next week assignment pop up. But if you're going to look for, let's say, example, I've already posted the midterm review. That midterm's not due until the 19th of, expected the 19th of May. So, yeah. So, but this is how you'd find the midterm review. You'd have to go to the calendar, and there it is. All right. Now, if you already have access to this, okay, you go to classes to make sure you're in the right class. Quantitative management, that's the only class I have right now. So, but if you've been already in Canvas before, you should be able to switch classes using this way. All right. Anything? I don't know what else is here. Okay. Now, to be honest, I hate this setup. They had a really good design of it at first. In fact, let me see if I can show you the design that I have for it. This is the design that I see. So let's go to bookmarks. Not that one. Alright, so this is what I see. And this was what you used to see. Okay, again, anything that says an I mark says I've made it visible. Anything with the /3 means it's hidden. So you would see just the whole list. It was super great and super easy to use. I don't know why they changed the setup for it. But yeah, now you have to deal with this setup, which again, it looks fancy. It's just terrible. I'm sorry. I liked it the old way. So yeah, let me see. Does the filter do anything? Okay, that way you can just look at the specific classes, I guess. So, but yeah, that's how we get signed up for Connect. Again, this is all you need. Okay, just to show you what the homework is, let's look at what the homework is. Let's look at the midterm review. This will be similar to the homework, the way it's going to work. So when you do the assignment, oh, it says only available on a computer. Okay, so let's go to calendar again. Go back here. I don't know if I can, yeah. Assignment's only available on computer. So apparently I can't do this. Maybe I have to use the Connect app to be able to do this on my tablet. So good thing eventually I'm going to be able to do this on something other than a tablet. Just not right now. All right, I'll figure something out. But yeah, this is how you would use Connect. All right, so I'm going to close all this because I don't want to look at this anymore. All right, let's go back to the dashboard and let's look at foundations. So, nothing is here because I haven't done foundations yet. So we'll look at foundations another time as soon as I get this Canvas course set up.